Hey there, just wanted to put a quick video page together so you can understand that I absolutely love being thoughtful and doing different in the world of fitness, fat loss, and anti-aging. Not too long ago, you filled out a form from thumbtack.com that I received notification of that you were looking to learn more about a personal trainer in the greater Boston area. I'm reaching out to you from this video right here on the banks of the River Charles in Cambridge. Mount Auburn Hospital is right there. The Buckingham Browne and Nichols School, which is a place that I've worked with for over 10 years now. I don't currently work there, but I used to. And then ultimately Boston and some of the suburbs are that way. But I'm sure you're somewhere in a radius to here. And I've serviced this area since 1999 with an array of clientele. Everything from 6th graders all the way through college students and athletes to stay-at-home moms to corporate executives of all different levels at fitness facilities and in their homes. And most recently, our company, GreaterBostonPersonalTraining.com. Certainly feel free to check us out. There's a link on this page down below me to learn more about us and see some testimonial videos and see some blog posts and some white paper, free reports, little quick read type of things that can help you get some free fitness and fat loss tips and all that good stuff. But anyways, I put this video together so you can learn more about the authentic nature that I love to go about relationship building. And to that point, directly below me, you're going to see a button for something we give to everybody that we meet on the internet. And that's our free 30-minute guarantee session. We're going to take your body and you and your mindset from fingernail to toenail and look at all that you've done and all that you want to do to reach your goals. And of course, in that session, we're going to go ahead and chart out a course of action that I think you'll find favorable to your needs. In fact, we're so strong about our abilities to do that, and we feel so strong about that, that we're willing to give you 5 free sessions if you find after 30 minutes that we can't really help you. We want to just back our word. Now, I know a lot of trainers wouldn't do that, and why would we want to do that? It's real simple. We take what we do seriously, we're good at what we do, and we really just want to help you feel more fit, firm, and fabulous, and ultimately feel better faster. Isn't that what it's all about? So, again, click the button down there. Look forward to hearing from you soon, either by telephone, which my direct line is 781-248-5102, and on this page, you can see the coupon and get more information on where to find us online, which is GreaterBostonPersonalTraining.com. Look forward to sharing in the features of your success. This is John Goslin again, and we'll talk soon. Bye now.